I am so done. आपकी लाइफ बहुत परफेक्ट होती है बाहर से. पीपल आर लाइक, ओ माई गॉड, यू हैव सच अ ब्यूटिफुल लाइफ, यू लुक ब्यूटिफुल, यू हैव गुड फॉलोअर्स, यू आर अर्निंग रियली वेल, यू हैव अ गुड पर्सनल रिलेशनशिप्स विद अदर पीपल एज वेल, एंड सब कुछ बाहर से बहुत सही लग रहा है. यू गो टू द जिम, यू हैव अ गुड बॉडी, यू डूइंग गुड, द रिलेशनशिप विद माई पेरेंट्स इज रियली गुड, विद माई सिबलिंग इट्स रियली गुड, एवरीथिंग इज जस्ट सो गुड इन माई लाइफ. There's something inside me that says, Khushi, kuch to missing hai. The whimsy things that I would want to do, I'm not doing those things. I don't know why. I don't know why. Literally everything is perfect, but I don't want the life that I have right now. I don't want to live this life for the rest of my life, like for the rest of my days here on planet Earth. हर रोज सुबह उठ के I go to work, I complete my task, but my heart says that कुछ तो missing है. क्या missing है? We don't know. We honestly don't know. कभी उठती हूँ तो पता चलता है that my heart says खुशी, move out of your hometown, not because you hate the people here, not because you hate your own friends, your own family, your own town, but because there is another town that needs you. And when you step into that city, things will be different. I wake up and I want to go to adventures, but I'm not able to because what? There are some responsibilities on my head जिसके बारे में कभी मैं बात नहीं करती हूँ, but maybe that is the reason that I have really lost my spark in the past few years. I have lost the खुशी जो हमेशा ready होती थी adventures के लिए, the girl who used to paint whenever she wanted. It is not about the technical responsibilities, it is about the pressure that I put inside my head of always being the one in my family to be responsible for things, of always being a backup for my parents, that yes, we might need her finance anytime soon, which is why I don't spend anything on me. And it's not a bad thing, but I don't want to live like that. I'm not saying I want to waste all the money that I save. I don't want to waste all the money that I earn. No, I'm not saying that, but there has to be something. There's a voice inside me that says, Kushi, do more of what you want and do less of what others want. And this video is just a reminder for me to do what I want, and I will be documenting everything. So this time, अभी मैंने एक प्लान बनाया. आई एम गोना लर्न स्केटिंग. मैंने 4 पहिए वाले जो स्केट्स आते हैं वो मैंने कर लिया था ऑफ कोर्स, बट वो जो सिंगल लाइन वाला था, आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड टू लर्न दैट. व्हाई? जस्ट बिकॉज. जस्ट बिकॉज. लाइक देयर इज नो रीजन. डू आई नीड टू लर्न इट? नो. क्या मैं उसके बिना मर जाऊंगी? नहीं. क्या वो मेरा शौक है? नहीं. बट इज इट फन to learn new things every now and then? Absolutely, yes. Which is why I'm going to do it. And we're going to try different things. I'm also going to try side hustles. I'm also going to try a lot of things with you guys. Join along to this ride. ये chair पूरी टेढ़ी क्यों हो गई? Chota sa introduction about me. I'm Kushi. I live in Gujarat. I'm 23 and I have been working in the nail industry since the last 5 years. I've been a professional nail tech. I've been a makeup artist. I've been an influencer. I've been a model. I have also done a lot of music videos. When I was in school, I used to sing a lot. I absolutely love being in front of the camera. I love talking about life. I love telling people that you can do anything that you want. But sometimes when it comes to me, I feel that I can't do anything that I want. Maybe that's the pressure that I've created somewhere down the line. While I tell everybody that you can do this and you can do that and there's magic in life, I do believe in it. I'm very delusional, but there are days when I forget to be that optimistic, delusional girl that I usually am for myself. But this video will be a reminder, and I will keep posting here more. So stay tuned. On this channel, we're going to talk about life. We're going to talk about your relationships. We're going to talk about everything that involves life in it. Everything, A to Z. Let the show begin. क्योंकि पिक्चर अभी बाकी है मेरे दोस्त. Just remember to follow your dreams and to not be under the category of people who say she is so सुशील because ये हमारी सारी बातें मानती है. सारी बातें मानने की जरूरत नहीं है. Do what your heart says. And I'll see you in the next video.